Do these frequencies, would they work indoors, inside buildings? You know, like,
If you're in a building with a thick metal roof, then no. But
yeah,
normal homes, yes,
yeah.
yes.
Did Elon Musk just give us the secret to blocking brain signals? Well, he was actually just referring to Starlink. However, the physics behind this concept is relevant to how we might shield our own brainwaves. Then how can we physically protect ourselves from mind reading and remote control? First, it's important to understand that this isn't mystical or supernatural. It's grounded in physics. To effectively block or shield brainwaves, we need to start by understanding their characteristics. Brainwaves are more likely a type of electromagnetic wave. They are invisible energy waves that travel through space at the speed of light. Examples include radio waves, visible light, X-rays, and brainwaves. The difference between them is their frequency. Low-frequency ones go far and through matter easily, while high-frequency ones carry more energy. Brainwaves are super low frequency. 5G signals from our phones, on the other hand, are relatively higher frequency waves and can be easily blocked by conductive fabrics or metal meshes. These materials can be easily bought on Amazon. However, it is a different story on shielding extremely low-frequency brainwaves. They are extremely difficult to block due to their gigantic wavelengths, which allows them to penetrate fabrics, meshes, or thin metals with almost no attenuation. They can even pass right through walls, buildings, soil, water, and even mountains. A primary real-world application of ELF technology is found in submarine communication. While most signals are blocked by the ocean's density, these extremely low frequencies can actually penetrate deep into seawater. This unique ability allows navies to transmit critical commands to submarines without requiring them to surface and risk detection. Since ELF waves penetrate almost everything, blocking them in the traditional sense is nearly impossible. Instead, we can shield against their magnetic part by using special high-permeability materials like MuMetal or Permalloy. These materials bend the magnetic field lines around your space, guiding them out of the way rather than trying to stop the wave head-on. Essentially, the goal is to enclose yourself in a high-permeability metal shell. And for better protection, use multiple layers that work a lot better than just a single sheet. Generally, the heavier and more massive the material, the better it performs. Also, don't forget decent ventilation so you don't suffocate in there. Here is a company called ShieldX. It specializes in high-performance signal suppression, utilizing advanced conductive fabrics to create specialized testing environments. Take a look at this tent, a full-scale enclosure designed to isolate devices from cellular and wireless interference. Remember, it is crucial to choose the correct material for shielding extremely low-frequency waves, as this tent appears to block only high-frequency signals. I hope this gives you a better idea of how to create a complete enclosure to protect mental privacy. If physical barriers aren't enough, there's another path: active shielding. This technique uses electromagnetic coils to generate counterfields that actively cancel out the ELF magnetic components of your brainwaves. Imagine a future where a small, portable device handles this automatically, giving you total mental privacy no matter where you go. A quick reality check before we go further. All of this is based on principles of magnetic shielding and hasn't been specifically tested yet in real-world scenarios. If you're exploring this, I'd strongly recommend doing your own research and proper experiments first. This is especially important because information on this topic is often misleading. You might find sources claiming that brainwaves are too weak to detect beyond the surface of the brain. Even if this is true, you could still amplify those weak brainwave signals. In reality, modern mind-reading technology has advanced far beyond that. It's just not the kind of information they're ready to share with the public. Let's clear up a common misconception. Many people believe that aluminum foil hats can shield extremely low-frequency brainwaves, but they aren't effective at all. Aluminum foil is not a high-permeability metal, and the hats are neither fully enclosed nor thick enough to block brainwaves. I hope this video gives you a better idea of how to protect your mental privacy physically. What better ideas do you have? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below.